Do you love ice cream? What if it was so healthy you could eat it anytime, even for breakfast? Well, now you can with Yonanas. You make your own treats that look and taste just like soft serve ice cream. But Yonanas are made only with frozen fruit. Yonanas is stoked to sponsor Dish with Eileen.
Salad doesn't have to be cold, delicate, or just for lunch. Hearty vegetables grilled to perfection, chopped and tossed with greens and sweet shrimp, fills you up and leaves you satisfied with dinner. I love eating my vegetables, but I don't always love to eat them raw, so making a grilled chopped salad is one way to get me to eat them. Now, this is super simple. We are just going to brush some vegetables with a little bit of olive oil. I'm also going to do a little bit of fruit in here in my grilled chopped salad. And, a little olive oil, some salt and pepper. So it's just simple seasonings. Now, this is something you can enjoy making year-round, and that's why I'm making this indoors. I'm gonna start with some corn on the cob. I love grilled corn on the cob year-round because I know I'm finding it year-round as well. I've also got some zucchini. I want to always put a green vegetable into my chopped salad if I can as well. So I've got some grilled zucchini that I'm going to have on my chopped salad. A little bit of onion. Now you can go red onion, you can go with the white onion. In the summertime you can go with a sweeter onion. I think it's just a nice complement to the salad. It adds some more flavor. And then I love adding fruits to my grilled chopped salad. So I'm adding some peaches to this one, and the peaches I think add a really wonderful sweet flavor. We're going to let these cook. They're going to grill up, and we're going to make a simple vinaigrette, something I use on my salads pretty much all week long, and it's really delicious on a grilled chopped salad.
A salad dressing can make or break a salad, right? So I have a dressing that's sort of what I feel is a bit foolproof. It's the one that I make usually quite a bit of it and have it all week long. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of mustard because you want something a little bit warm in there. And then I add, of course, our balsamic vinegar. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in the bowl. Now, this is what I think makes my vinaigrette, my salad dressing, taste so good. And that is going to be just some fresh squeezed orange juice. I think this gives the salad dressing the best flavor. And again, this is something I'll make all week, or sometimes if I have people over for dinner and I make a salad, they're always asking me, what is this dressing? And I know it's because of the fresh squeezed orange juice. That's what they love about it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, of course. And then we're just going to drizzle in some olive oil. And it's just a really simple salad dressing. So there you go. Simple vinaigrette. Blend it together. I mean, look at that. How easy is that?
Now that we have our grilled vegetables all ready to be eaten up, I'm going to need to have them cool though for a few minutes before we chop them. And I think something else that's sort of a fun addition to a grilled chopped salad, if you like it, is grilled shrimp. So I'm going to add some grilled shrimp to our grill pan. Now, there's something to keep in mind when you're making grilled shrimp. It just takes a few minutes. So while our vegetables are cooling, we can throw this on, just check them in a few minutes, and they're ready. Now, a little trick, something to keep in mind when you're cooking is, we've got some nice large shrimp with tails on. And what you'll hear is, if you've got the letter C, it means it's cooked. The shape of your shrimp, if it's in the letter C, it means it's cooked. When it goes to the letter O, when it's really sort of tight, that means you might have overcooked your shrimp. Now, either way, it tastes good, and you want to make certain it's cooked all the way through, but it's just something to keep in mind. It's sort of a little trick when you're making or grilling your shrimp, whether you're boiling it or you're grilling it. So, something to keep in mind. So there are good sources and there are bad sources of shrimp and other seafood. And one way to learn about the best sustainable sources is the Seafood Watch program. You can learn about that program on dishwitheileen.com. So we have a bowl of romaine lettuce, and I purposely chose romaine lettuce for our grilled chopped salad because it's a sturdier green. It's a sturdier lettuce. Sometimes some greens are really delicate, and we've chosen some vegetables to grill that are a little bit heavier. So now that we've grilled our zucchini and we've cooled it, we've chopped it, so I'm just gonna add this. And this is just simple assembly. This is how easy it is to make this for a wonderful dinner. Again, you can have this as a great lunch, but I think this just makes a really hearty dinner as well. Those wonderful grilled peaches, I just think there's a really wonderful, surprising, sweet, charred flavor to grilled peaches. And what you're noticing in here, we're getting another color. So we've got some greens in here, and we're adding that wonderful peach to add some more color to our diet for the evening. And on top of that, I'm gonna add those grilled onions. I wanna make certain those onions are grilled through enough just because it can be really hot when you have a raw onion. So again, this is a great way to get me to eat my onions, is to grill them, because then they're sweeter and more delicious to me. And the last is that grilled corn on the cob. I mean, I think so many of us enjoy corn in so many different ways, but grilled is probably one of the more delicious ways because it's just, you get sweet and caramely all at the same time. So I think that's a delicious way to enjoy this. And we've got these wonderful grilled vegetables, and I always like to add a little something fresh in addition to the greens, right? So we're going to add some avocado. Now, I like adding avocado because it's something I just love. And with your grilled chopped salad, again, add what you love. If there are different vegetables, if you love asparagus, grill asparagus and put that on here. But I'm adding fresh avocado. This is considered a really good fat. You know, we talk about we want our skin to look good, we want our hair to look good. You want to have good sources of fat in your diet, and this is absolutely one of those great things that you really need to incorporate, is good fat in your diet. Now, you saw that we grilled up some shrimp, and this is something, again, if you love shrimp, add a little bit of shrimp. This really makes this an incredible dinner. I mean, look at how beautiful, again, just with the color as well. Add this, if you prefer having, you know, chicken, grilled chicken, you can add chicken. If you want to have grilled tofu, add grilled tofu. If you want to keep this just strictly vegetarian and you want to just go grilled vegetables, do that. But look at how gorgeous this is. This is beautiful, again, for dinner. It's great for lunch. And the last thing we're going to do is add my favorite dressing. So we're just going to go ahead and drizzle that right over the top. And this will be something I think the whole family can enjoy, especially if everyone gets to pick out their favorite fruits and vegetables to add to their grilled chopped salad. Again, there's something about having some grilled fruit mixed in with your chopped salad, that sweet, wonderful flavor of the peaches. And of course, I love a little bit of that avocado. To chew on more information and complete recipes, visit dishwitheileen.com.